how to change name on Fiverr account step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can change your name on Fiverr account in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So to start things off, basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to come over here into my account in the top right, and we're going to click on settings. And once you click on settings, it's going to bring you here to this account section, and to change your name on Fiverr account, just go ahead, click on full name, change it to whatever you want, click on save changes, and you're good to go. That is obviously your full name. You can also change your display name and your name at by going on profile. Once you click on profile, you can change your display name from here as well, and save this display name, and then you can change your basic you could say story in one line as well. So pretty easy, pretty simple. So yeah, that's basically about it for this video. Now if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.